Franklin is about to look very different than what most people expect. New restaurants, major mixed-use developments, high-end residential projects, expanding corporate hubs, and infrastructure improvements that are already on the way. They're reshaping the city right now. If you have Franklin on your radar, whether you're relocating, investing, or seriously considering Middle Tennessee, this is one of those updates you'll be glad you watched first, because Franklin is no longer quietly growing in the background. It is actively transforming, and you can feel it. Not long ago, I was driving through Cool Springs on what should have been a completely routine weekday. No events, no holiday traffic, nothing unusual. But instead of an easy drive, I hit steady congestion, active construction zone, and cranes rising over projects that weren't here just a few years ago. That moment made something very clear. A lot of people still picture Franklin as a charming historic town with a beautiful square and rolling hills. And that version still exists, but it's no longer the full picture. Just minutes outside downtown, Franklin feels more polished, more corporate, more high demand, and more competitive than many people realize. Before we go further, let me say this clearly. Franklin is an incredible place to live. This is not about negativity, it's about clarity. Because when you have your expectations meet reality, you make better long-term decisions. And to understand everything new coming in 2026, we need to start with how Franklin grows in the first place. Franklin is not expanding without direction. Through long-term planning like the Envision Franklin initiative, the city's carefully guided higher density development into specific corridors such as Cool Springs, Berry Farms, and along Mac Hatcher Parkway, while protecting historic downtown and surrounding rural areas. That's why Franklin feels structured instead of chaotic. Development is concentrated where infrastructure can support it, and preservation remains a priority. What you're seeing right now is not uncontrolled growth, it's intentional evolution. Franklin is positioning itself not just as a Nashville suburb, but as a regional economic and lifestyle destination. When a city grows this strategically, investment follows. Developers gain confidence, corporations commit, higher end residential projects move forward. If you're considering moving here and want to understand which areas are positioned for long-term upside versus slower preservation zones, this is exactly the kind of conversation we have with clients before they buy. Because not all Franklin growth is the same, and where you land matters. And one of the clearest examples of that strategic evolution is happening in one of Franklin's most iconic properties. The factory at Franklin is becoming a major lifestyle hub. The factory at Franklin has always had character. But what's happening there now, it signals something bigger. Expanded dining, upgraded office spaces, enhanced outdoor gathering areas, and the permanent presence of Studio Tennessee's Turner Theater are turning it into a year-round lifestyle destination rather than just a historic attraction. And when a space like that evolves, it creates ripple effects. Surrounding businesses benefit, visitor traffic increases, residential interest grows nearby, energy bills. The factory represents Franklin's ability to blend history with modern experience, and that balance is exactly what draws relocating buyers. If you're someone who values walkability, cultural events, and proximity to dining without giving up neighborhood comfort, the areas around downtown and the factory deserve serious attention. And if you ever want a breakdown of which neighborhoods give you that access without the full downtown price tag, feel free, reach out, because there are micro pockets most buyers don't know about. As the factory gains momentum though, the modern growth engine of Franklin continues accelerating just a few miles away. Cool Springs remains the economic engine of Franklin, and McEwen Northside is quickly becoming one of the most polished mixed-use districts in Middle Tennessee. This area has shifted from traditional suburban retail into a more integrated, live work environment with restaurants, offices, boutique shopping, and residential units all connected. It feels intentional, walkable, and increasingly upscale. Older commercial spaces are being refreshed, new dining concepts are entering the market, and corporate expansions continue fueling demand. What's happening here is not temporary momentum, it's structural growth driven by business investment. And when commercial corridors strengthen, housing demand rises right behind them. If you're relocating for work or considering Franklin for career proximity, understanding how Cool Springs is evolving could significantly influence where you choose to live. Some neighborhoods offer shorter commutes and higher convenience, while others trade proximity for privacy and space. If you're unsure which fits your lifestyle better, that's exactly what we help clients map out before they commit. Because once housing demand increases, the conversation naturally shifts to what that means for prices and availability. Housing development is everywhere and demand is still rising. As jobs and commercial investment grow, housing demand increases alongside it. And that's exactly what we're seeing across Franklin. New residential communities continue expanding near berry farms and along key growth corridors, offering everything from luxury townhomes to executive style homes. However, Franklin is land constrained. Protected farmland, zoning limitations, preservation policies mean there is only so much room to build. So even though construction is visible, supply remains limited compared to demand, and demand is driven largely by high-income relocation buyers bringing equity from more expensive states. That combination creates steady upward pressure on prices. Franklin is no longer viewed as the affordable alternative. It's viewed as a premium destination. For buyers trying to decide whether to move sooner or wait, understanding this supply dynamic is critical. Timing matters here more than in many other suburbs. And if you want a realistic conversation about appreciation trends, school zones, long-term positioning, that's something we can break down specific to your price range and goals. Because as more families move in, daily life begins to shift in noticeable ways. There's traffic, infrastructure, all adjusting. So when population and employment expand, you know what happens? Infrastructure fills it first. Corridors like Mack Hatcher Parkway, Moores Lane, Highway 96, and I-65 access points are experiencing heavier traffic during peak times. Franklin traffic doesn't feel like Nashville congestion, but it does feel like a city becoming a regional hub. More commuters, more service vehicles, more construction activity. The encouraging part is that road expansions and intersection improvements are underway, but infrastructure projects take time. There's often a gap between growth and completion of improvements, and during that window, residents adjust their routines. For some buyers, this phase seems manageable. For others, commute patterns become a deciding factor. That's why we always encourage clients to test drive their actual work commute before buying, not just rely on GPS estimates. Growth is exciting, but logistics matter. And behind the traffic increase is something fundamentally strong. Franklin's corporate base continues expanding, particularly in healthcare, technology, and professional services centered around Cool Springs. This diversified economic foundation creates stability that supports long-term property values. As companies grow, they bring high-paying jobs that fuel restaurant openings, retail demand, and housing absorption. Franklin is not relying solely on tourism or spillover from Nashville. It has developed its own economic gravity. That strength signals confidence in the city's future and reduces volatility compared to markets dependent on a single industry. For buyers thinking long-term, economic stability is just as important as curb appeal. A strong job base supports appreciation and resilience. And as business investment continues, community investment follows closely behind. Downtown Franklin remains the cultural anchor of the city, balancing preservation with thoughtful modernization. Streetscape improvements, expanded events, boutique retail turnover, restaurant openings keep the square vibrant without sacrificing historic character. At the same time, Franklin continues investing in parks, greenways, athletic complexes, recreational facilities, and they support the population growth. Quality of life investment is a priority here because premium home values require premium experiences. Franklin understands that maintaining charm while upgrading amenities is essential to long-term desirability. For families prioritizing community events, walkability, and outdoor access, these investments make a significant difference in everyday living. And yet with all this expansion, something deeper is evolving as well. Franklin is no longer defined solely by its historic square or its proximity to Nashville. It's becoming a multi-district city with a district lifestyle zone. Downtown offers tradition and charm. Cool Springs offers corporate convenience. McHugh and Northside delivers modern polish. Berry Farms represents forward-focused suburban expansion. Each area feels different, and because those experiences vary, buyers must align their expectations with a chosen neighborhood. Some people thrive on growth energy and walking, others prioritize quiet streets, established communities. Growth itself isn't a positive or negative, it's transformative. The key is understanding which version of Franklin fits your lifestyle best, and that clarity often comes from experiencing the city beyond weekend visits. Well, here's a bonus tip. Experience Franklin like a local. Before making the final decision, spend time in Franklin the way residents do. Drive Cool Springs during weekday rush. Walk downtown on a random Tuesday. Visit McEwen Northside at dinner time. Explore neighborhoods at different times of the day. Pay attention to the traffic patterns, noise levels, and overall rhythm. Some buyers immediately connect with the energy and opportunity. Others realize they prefer a quieter environment outside the busiest corridors. Either outcome is a success because clarity prevents regret. And if after spending that time you want to help narrowing down neighborhoods that truly align with your priorities, that's what we're here for. So if Franklin or anywhere else in Middle Tennessee is on your radar and you want help understanding what truly fits your lifestyle, I'd love to help. My name is Wade Price with Nashville, Tennessee Living and eXp Realty, and I help families buy, sell, and relocate across Middle Tennessee with clarity and confidence. Call or text 615-436-5995, email Wade at WadePriceHomes, or click the link in the description to schedule a Zoom. I'd love to talk to you. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, share it with someone who needs the same clarity. I'm Wade Price, helping you find the home and the Tennessee life you've been dreaming of.